A very good morning, children. Today in Social Studies, we are moving on to a new chapter, Chapter 4 of Families. So let's learn what a family is. What is a family? A family is a group of people living together and they are related to each other. So what's a family? A family is a group of people living together. 2 or 3 people, if they live together, will that be a family? No. They should be related to each other. So that is a family. Today we are going to learn about the different types of families. Some families will be small, some families will be big. So let's learn the different types of families. The different types of families are nuclear family, big family, joint family, single parent family. Once again, nuclear family, big family, joint family, single parent family. Now let's check what is nuclear family. In a nuclear family, there will be parents and their children. So a nuclear family consists of parents and their children. It will be a small family. So that is a nuclear family. Now let's learn what is a big family. In a big family, there will be children, parents and grandparents. Such a family is called big family. So who all are there in a big family? Parents, grandparents and children. Such family is called a big family. Let's move on to joint family. In a joint family, there will be children, parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins. Such a large family is called a joint family. So we learned in a nuclear family, there will be parents and children. In a big family, there will be parents, grandparents and children. In a joint family, parents, grandparents, children, uncles, aunts and cousins form a joint family. Now let's learn a single parent family. In a single parent family, only a single parent will be available to the children. That is, either the mother or father will be available with the children. Such a family is called a single parent family. So these are the different types of families. Nuclear family, big family, joint family and a single parent family. Now let's learn who are relatives. Relatives, all the members of the family share some relation with each other. They are relatives. They may not be living with you, but they will be your relatives. Our father's relatives are our paternal relatives. That is, those relatives that are connected with our father. They are our paternal relatives. And the relatives that are connected with our mother, they are called maternal relatives. Parents are called grandparents. Father's father is called paternal grandfather. And father's mother is called paternal grandmother. Mother's mother is called maternal grandmother. And mother's father is called maternal grandfather. A parent's brother, what we call them uncle. And a parent's sister is our aunt. Now let's learn the children. We learned that parent's brother is our uncle, parent's sister is our aunt. The children of our aunt and uncle are called our cousins. Our brothers and sisters are called our siblings. So here in the text, page number 21, you have this picture. This is a picture of Shreya's family tree. Now let's check Shreya's relation with each other. This is Shreya. Here it is written, this is Jay, my parent's son. So Shreya is introducing him as her parent's son. My grandparents' grandson and my sibling. So who is Jay? Jay is Shreya's brother. She's also saying that he is her parents' son and her grandparents' grandson. and she's saying that he is her sibling. Now we can see the picture of Shreya's father and mother. So they are the mother and father of Shreya and Jay. On top you can see their grandfather and grandmother. Shreya's father's father and father's mother you can see in this picture. Moving on to the next side, you can see Uncle Suresh. Who is Uncle Suresh? My father's brother. So Shreya's father's brother is Uncle Suresh. And what she calls? She calls him uncle. Now we have Aunt Nikita, wife of Uncle Suresh. How is she related? She is wife of Uncle Suresh. So who is Uncle Suresh? Uncle Suresh is Shreya's father's brother and Aunt Nikita is her uncle's wife. Now here we have Sunita and Ankit. My cousin, my grandparents' granddaughter is Sunita. How is she introducing? How is Shreya introducing? Shreya is saying that Sunita is her cousin. How did she become her cousin? Sunita is her father's brother's daughter. So she is her cousin. And Ankit is also her cousin. So this is a family tree of Shreya. Hope you understood the family tree. Now, in a family, everyone work together, share joy and sorrow. When your mother is working, what will you do? You have to help her. When there is any festival or any birthdays, all the family members come together for celebrating. When you are sick, who takes care of you? Your parents, grandparents take care of you. In the same way, when they are sick, it's your responsibility to take care of them. In such a way, we can share our joy and sorrows together. We should love each of the family members. We should love them. We must respect and be polite to our parents. Should not disobey your parents. Always obey and respect our elders. You should always obey them and respect whoever it is. Your elders, you should respect them. So this is all about our family. We learned about the different types of families and the relation. So hope you understood what is a family and the different types of families. Now let's move on to the exercises. You can take your notebook, write today's date, write chapter 4, heading of families. We are going to write the question answers. Question number 1. What is a nuclear family? Write down number 1, write the question. The next line, write answer. And then you can continue. A family with parents and their children is a nuclear family. Moving on to the second question. Write number 2, write the question, what is a joint family? In the next line, write answer and continue. A family which consists of parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles and cousins are called joint family. Third question. What is a big family? A family with parents, children and grandparents is called a big family. You have an activity. Draw your family tree. We saw a family tree of Shreya. In the same way, draw your family tree. So these all you have to do in your notebook. Now you can open your text. Page number 18. Of families, you have a picture there. In the first picture, you can see it's about a vacation, and in the first picture, you can see Grandpa tells us stories that make us wonder and laugh. We help Grandma to bake a cake. When our cousins visit us, we have a super time playing together. So it's about children being with their grandparents and enjoying their vacation. Now you have a question there. Let's get started. What do you like to do with your grandparents? What you like to do with your grandparents, you can write there in the space provided. Can take page number 21. On top of the family tree, there's a question. Given below is Shreya's family tree. Study the family tree and find out how Shreya is related to Aunt Nikita. Discuss in class. We saw the family tree of Shreya. You have to tell how is Aunt Nikita related to her. So what did we learn? We learned Aunt Nikita is Shreya's father's brother's wife. You can write it there in the space provided. Next page 22. Checkpoint. Guess the relation. How are the following people related to each other? What is their relationship called? Use the help box to answer. In the help box, words are given. We have to answer the questions. I am Rohit and this is Riya. And now Riya is saying, Rohit is my uncle's son. The question, how is Rohit related to Riya? Rohit is Riya's cousin. So you can write there, cousin. Next picture, I am Anchit and this is my father's sister. What will Anchit call his father's sister? It is aunt, right? Aunt. Third, I am Sudha and this is my mother's mother. What will Sudha call her mother's mother? She is her grandmother. In fourth picture, I am Neha and I am playing football with my father and father's brother. What will Neha call her father's brother? Father's brother will call uncle. You can write uncle there. Moving on to page number 23, exercises. Complete the given chart of your family tree by pasting pictures of your family members inside the frames. My family tree chart. You have to stick pictures of your family members there. You can stick pictures of yourself and your siblings. Next, picture of your father and mother. Your paternal grandparents and maternal grandparents. Stick pictures of them also. So this you can do it as an activity. Next one, how should brothers and sisters behave with one another? Tick the correct answer. The first picture, fight over the same toy. Second, eat all the chocolate and never share. Third, help each other. How should brothers and sisters behave? Should you fight? Or eat all the chocolate without sharing? Or help each other? We need to help each other. So tick that box. Page number 24. Here are some activities that members of a family do together. Tick the activities that you do with your family members. Go to a fair, visit grandparents, go on a road trip, go camping. What you do with your family members, you can tick the correct option there. Fourth, think it over. It's often said that our home is our first school and our parents are our first teachers. Do you agree? Why? Why not? What is your opinion about that? Till the age of 3 or 4, you will be staying with your parents. So we can say that home is our first school. Before joining school, they are your teachers. Only when you join school, you see your teachers. So we can say that home is our first school and parents are our first teachers. Next, activity corner. Complete the following table. Name one thing that is common in your best friend's family and your family. Second column, name one thing that is different in your best friend's family and your family. Find out and write the difference and what is common thing. So with this, we finish our chapter of families. Hope you understood. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.